how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now for today's video, what the f is that? Thought anybody roast me for having a Toy Story character in my bed, you know, because it's the only thing I can get in my bed. This is a hot water bottle, and it's the best goddamn hot water bottle you'll ever see in your life. What we've got in today's video is this. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I've been following this company called Finesse now. I've been buying loads of their products. They have a sale on right now for their mystery boxes, right? They got £50 mystery boxes, they got £100 mystery boxes, and they got £200 mystery boxes. So I went ahead and bought the £100 mystery box, and we're gonna see what's in it today. Do I have any brain cells for buying £100 worth of this when I don't know how to clean my car? Probably. So yeah, without further ado, let us undress this bad boy and get inside its goodies. Before I get into this video, I know this is the most entertaining video. I mean, all I'm doing is really looking in the box, right, and seeing what's in it, you know. But hopefully you guys do enjoy. First thing we are greeted with is this thing. And what is that? So we are firstly greeted with, I think it's like a bag. Alright, so inside here we've got this little bag. Look at that. That is fancy, that is. Oh, it's massive as well. What the hell? I could use this as a lunchbox. Alright, so I didn't actually go into this bag in detail get it? Car detailing. Enough. I didn't actually look at it at all in the video, really. This bag is like a vortex of like, this has like 4 compartments. So obviously on the front we've got the Finesse logo, and then we've got one compartment right here. Boom. And this could probably be used for cloths, your girl's numbers if you're gonna pick them up, and then it's got this compartment, which is the middle compartment. This, boys, is where you're gonna get all the booty from. Honestly, look at this. You got the middle compartment where you can put all, you know, your products. I did actually already have these products before, so I'm not spoiling anything for you guys. Just got my interior detailing stuff there, and there's 6 pockets, so obviously you can put 6 things there. Fuck, I can't do this with one hand. And then you got the last compartment, which I've put all my brushes in. So obviously we've got these super soft brushes. This is like porn, this is. Look at this. I actually show this in not all the videos, but look at that. And then I've got a bit more harder brushes right here. They're a bit more hard. And then you've also got one more compartment in there for, you know, other stuff. Because it's me, the other stuff. I mean, I could still use it as a lunchbox, but it might be a bit too big. So obviously this would be so sick if like you ever go into your mate's house and then you're going to clean your cars together. You know what I mean? Just like bro time, you know? Okay, so we've quickly just moved downstairs, purely just because it's too loud upstairs. My brother's just being too loud, so we've come downstairs. And next thing obviously in the box is this. This is pain. Whew. This is in fact a ceramic coating kit for the glass in the car. That is beautiful, and I think these are quite expensive. It's like £30 on its own, I believe. What this kit will do is it will turn your car into literally porn. No joke. Like with AQUA, I actually did a video on that if you want to see that. Link in the description. Once you like drive in the rain and stuff, all the water will just come off. So yeah, well, that's really cool. Next thing, woo! Next thing we've got is it's a plush microfiber cloth. Boom! Look at that, yellow. Repping the Asians, boy. I've got all rubbish cloth, so this is quite cool that they've sent this. Next thing in the box, boom! All right, we have got crystal. Boom! Look at that. We've got crystal glass cleaner. So basically, obviously it's a glass cleaner. Nothing more to be said than that. Next thing in the box is spurt. I've actually already got this one. It's an interior dresser, I believe. Quick interior detailer. I think it's a dresser though. Yeah, I've already got this. It smells beautiful. Like honestly, this smells like ice cream. Absolutely amazing. I think I might just keep it for the smell. Next product we have got car wax. Oh, look at that. Boom. Haven't got this one already, but I mean it says it on the fucking tin, mate. Car wax. I'm not actually going to be unboxing all of this on today's video. I will be doing that if I ever do another cleaning video. Next product is Revolution. Boom. So this is a wheel soap. Yeah, this is designed for your wheels, I'm guessing. Nice little silver tab on there. My wheels are gonna be looking fresh as fuck, boy, because we've got this down. Ooh, smells like bubble gum. Oh, this one, I don't know what this is. Paint glaze, ultra glaze. Designed to add luxury and gloss to all paint types. So I've never actually seen this product before, but apparently it's just to add a bit of gloss to the car and the paintwork. Make it look reflective as fuck, boy, and like shiny. It's quite cool how it's literally orange. Mate, it's orange. That looks tasty, that does. Last thing in the box is Revive. Mate, this is like a Call of Duty perk machine. You got the blue one, you got the orange one, look at that. So obviously this is trim dressing. This is what makes like all the plasticky bits on the car stand the fuck out and make them look new as boy. That is quite cool, that is. So obviously we've got these two now. That is it for inside the box. Okay then, is this not just like a beautiful sight? It looks insane right now. Obviously we've got the Revolution car soap. I'm not 100% sure with all these products because I've never used them before, but trim dressing, we've got a paint glaze, we've got a glass ceramic coating kit, we've got wax, an interior dressel, and then we've got a glass cleaner, and then we've got obviously a drying cloth and a bag. So that was £100 of my own flipping money, like, come on. What are you chatting about? So quite honestly guys, like, I'm most excited for these two because they look beautiful. Like, they look like smoothies, mate. Come on. I wouldn't mind drinking that. And also, I really like that they put in this. This is, obviously, ceramic coating. I've seen people use this and they literally make it so easy. They're literally... If you want to see any videos on any of these products, then leave that in the description comments below, and I'll be sure to do it. But yeah, here's all the products we got in that £100 mystery box. For the products that I'm not going to use, I'm probably going to sell because I don't need this anymore, and I might not even use the bag, but we'll see about that. So yeah, that is all for the unboxing basically of the mystery box tings, as you guys can see. Looking very luscious. If you guys did enjoy the video, then you know what to do. If you did enjoy, subscribe. If you didn't, don't subscribe. Like the video if you did like it. Follow me on Instagram @_OtherStuff. If you've got to the end of this video, then comment Revive, and I'll subscribe to the first person who does that. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see your faces in my next video. What?